Hi, welcome to Microman, the channel where we show you anything and everything under the microscope. Please help the channel out by subscribing and leave a comment about what you would like to see under the microscope. Today we will be taking a look at a raspberry. Now I've made two cuts, one to look at the surface and the other to look at the inside. We are now looking at the surface of the raspberry, and it is a very hairy berry. The small hairs we can see all over are too small for us to see with our eyes. The hairs we can see with our eyes when we take a close look at a raspberry are these big ones. We are now going to look at the inside. I was going to end the video after looking at the inside, but when I was looking back at the surface piece, I saw this thing, what appears to be a mite. Now I tried to follow it, but the scrolling on the microscope had reached its limit, so I had to flip the slide around, and I tried to find it again, but I wasn't able to, and it was too small for my eyes to see. However, when I was looking for it with my eyes, then I saw this tiny brown dot crawling off of the raspberry and onto the slide. So I quickly trapped it with the slide cover, and this is what I saw. Now I have no idea what this thing is, but apparently it's very common for berries, even from the grocery store, to have bugs on them. So the pesticides don't kill everything, but most likely if you took a carton of raspberries out of your fridge and you let it sit for maybe 5 minutes, you'd probably be able to see the bugs start warming up and crawling around if you looked really close. For the most part, these bugs are harmless and even add a pinch of protein to your diet. But if you're not a fan of eating bugs, or you're a vegan who thought you were a vegan, but apparently you've been secretly eating bugs in your berries, then you can remove most of the bugs by soaking your fruit in vinegar and lemon water. But don't soak so long that your fruits end up tasting like vinegar and lemons. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found it interesting. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. And hopefully I'll see you next time.